Now this is how we can send disappearing messages on WhatsApp using the iPhone. Let me show you how it works, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So we open up the WhatsApp chats as usual, right? And I actually tried to do it in the chat right now. So as you can see, the Foxtecc is me. It has you in the brackets. So I tried to do it to send it to myself, but interestingly enough, it doesn't work for this. So basically the point is that you can always just add a new image like this when you tap the plus button and select the photo from the gallery, right? So let's say I'm going to select this image. You are supposed to see a little icon which is going to say 1 next to the text field right there and next to the send button. As I said, in some cases it may not be visible, just like in my case. The reason being is that I'm sending the message to myself, but if I change it and send it to someone else like this, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to tap on the plus, choose photos, and pick this image from the gallery. You can see that now we have this 1 in a circle button, which I need to press and make sure it's selected to make sure that this is a one-time photo, or in other words, the disappearing image, right? And you can see that this is what it looks like. I can send it over like this, and it doesn't show up as the regular image with a preview. It doesn't have anything like showing up. I cannot even tap on it to see it, but that other person will have the ability to get inside, right? So that is like the whole point behind it, right? So if I show you what it looks like on the other device, so I'm going to check out this other phone in here. The picture which I just selected kind of looks like this. It's a one-time photo, so I can tap on it. You can see that this is the image, but I don't really have the ability to get there again, right? I have an older one in here too, but this one has expired. So that's like the whole point of this feature. You can see on the other iPhone, it's been opened, and I have the regular blue check mark indicating that the message has been read. So that's how it works. That's what I wanted to show you in this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you in the future videos as well.